Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to read the active trader on Thinkorswim. First, navigate to the Trade tab and select Active Trader from the drop-down menu. This powerful tool provides a real-time view of market depth and order flow, crucial for quick decision-making. You'll see the bid and ask columns, representing current buying and selling interest. Understanding these basics is your first step to mastering this dynamic interface. The active trader displays crucial components like the bid and ask prices, showing the highest price buyers are willing to pay and the lowest price sellers are willing to accept. Pay close attention to the volume and time and sales data, which reveal the size and frequency of trades. The order entry fields allow for rapid placement of market, limit, and stop orders, essential for active trading strategies. Interpreting market flow involves analyzing the depth of market, which shows pending orders at various price levels. Look for large order imbalances, as these can indicate potential support or resistance. Understanding how price action reacts to these levels in real time is key. This helps you anticipate short-term movements and make informed decisions about when to enter or exit a trade. For advanced trading, customize your active trader layout to display the information most relevant to your strategy, such as specific indicators or order types. Utilize hotkeys for faster order execution, which can save valuable seconds in fast-moving markets. Practice with a simulated account to refine your skills before trading with real capital. Finally, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals to enhance your home setup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.